prevent cross-site scripting, that is XSS. In order to fix cross-site scripting, all you need to do is sanitize user given inputs. It could be through text box or fields or anything. Any user given field from the client side getting to the server side has to be sanitized before it gets saved at the database level or web server. So what is sanitization is, suppose there's a name field and it has to accept all the characters, and user inputs A followed by a payload of cross-site script. So what a developer has to do is sanitize all the extra special characters, ampersand, less than, greater than, forward slash, colon, semicolon, anything, any special characters which is irrelevant has to be removed. And then it has to be getting sanitized and then saved. If not, completely reject that request which has malicious inputs and give a message of invalid input inserted. So cross-site scripting needs to be fixed on the client side as well as the server side. Meaning, while the input from the client itself do not allow special characters where it doesn't make sense, where it is not valid to input special characters, for example the name field. And in spite of that, if the attacker tries to use man in the middle using proxy and tries to inject payload after the client before it gets submitted to the server, server level sanitization will also prevent saving of any cross-site payloads. So in order to fix cross-site, do input parameter sanitization at the server level as well. Thank you.